Assalamu alaikum kids and welcome again in another class of social studies. We will continue with the same topic that is directions. Let's have a quick review of our last class. We have learned in our last class about the four cardinal directions that are north, east, south and west. We also solved the classroom compass 1 and 2, that is page number 4 and 5 of your book, where we identify the direction of given person or thing from a particular location. Now in the same manner we are going to solve page number 6 today and 7 as well, right? So you can see page number 6 is open on your screens. Now we will look at the first blank, that is Paula's desk is to the dash of Stan's desk, right? They are asking from us about the Paula's desk and Stan's desk. So first we will find both of the persons on the classroom compass, that where are they. Okay, first name Paula's is here and Stan is next to Paula's, right? Exact next to the Paula's. Now we have find their location. So class, as we saw that Paula's desk was like this. Paula's was here and was exact here, and Stan was exact to the next of Paula's. So now we will draw a compass rose that will indicate all the four directions, that are north, east, south and west. Now according to this compass rose, the location of Paula's and Stan's was like Paula's was here, like right, Paula was here was Paula and here was Stan's. So what is the direction of Stan's? We have to focus on Stan. As for Stan, I wrote here, it is little so thoda messy, but I hope you can understand. So this is Stan. So what is the direction of Stan from here? Here it is east. So we are now supposed to write in the blank, sorry, we have to find the location of Paula's. So it is not like that. Paula is here in west, so we are now supposed to write west in the blank. Okay, we don't have to find the location of Stan's, right? हमें Paula की location मालूम करनी थी, direction. So now in the first blank you can write west. Okay, now come to the third one, that is you can see on your screens. Third one is to visit the art center, Donna must leave her desk and walk dash and dash. Now we have to find the location of Donna. Where is Donna? First we will find here she is, right? And where is art center? Here is art center, right? Now Donna has to walk towards the art center. So how Donna will go? From her desk she will go in that direction, that is north, right? Upside north, and left, that is east. And you can also write east and north. There is no problem if you write east first and then north, or north first and then east. So both are correct. So in this blank number 3, you are supposed to write north and east. First Donna walk like this and then turn to left to reach the art center. Okay class? Okay ji class, after page number 6 I am going to solve page number 7 in front of you, blank number 3 and 4. I know you all are very good in solving these type of questions. Is still To avoid any chance of problem you may face, I am going to solve a different type of question we got in page number 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So I am going to solve with 3 and 4 blank. Now look at on your screens. In blank number 3 they are asking, to visit the reading center Stan must leave his desk and walk dash and dash. Now where is reading center and where is Stan? Firstly we have to find both of them. Here is reading center and here is Stan. Now whose location we have to find out? We have to find out the reading center from Stan. So from Stan, reading center is in the direction first north, then left, that is west. So it would be north and west in blank number 3. And as I told you, there is no problem if you write west first and then north, north first and then west. It is totally fine. And now look blank number 4. To go to the door, Tom must leave his desk and to go out the door, Tom must leave his desk and walk dash and dash. So there is door and where Tom is, here is Tom. So to come to the door, which direction Tom is going to follow? Tom go in south and where the door is, and in west in this direction. So in blank number 4 you can write south and west. Okay class, similarly solve page number 6, 7 and 8 in your book. Now